Okay, so this is another of my free watch faces for smartwatches. It's compatible with both Wear OS and Samsung's Tizen OS, and also some Ticwatches. You can see which watches it's compatible with in the WatchMaker Premium app description text in Google Play Store. But you have to own the WatchMaker Premium app to get this watch face for free from me. I have made this from scratch. I designed it in a designer app and so on. And I will link down below in the description text where you can download this, and also another link to some all other color options to this. So 2 blog posts with where you can download this, and I will also link to a video that shows how you can send this watch face to your smartwatch using the WatchMaker Premium app for Android. So this is the Rolex Oyster Perpetual DateJust, and this version that I have on the watch now, on my Huawei watch, is a magical version, because the background on this has many different colors depending on which light you have in the room or outside and so on. It's sometimes some wine red, sometimes it's black and so on, so a pretty nifty color if you ask me. And I have also added all my standard features to this watch face. For example, the weather station that I can click to here and see a lot of specifications for the weather and so on. Click again to hide, and you can also hide or show the second hand when dimmed. So now when I click in the center of the watch face, when the watch face gets dimmed, you see the second hand still on the watch face, and the second hand shows the battery life that you have, so much battery life you have left. So by clicking in the center of the watch face, you can hide the second hand, so when the watch gets dimmed again, you will see that the second hand gets removed, as you can see there. And the watch face also has another feature. You can see it has a cyclop over the date, and that's something that Rolex always have on their watches and so on. So if I click on that, you can hide the cyclop. So if you don't like the look of the cyclop over the date field, then you can hide it by just clicking on it. So that's pretty nifty. So click again to show it, as you can see there. And I have also some brightness settings, because when in the evening and so on, and you think that the watch face is too bright, you can just click down here at 6 o'clock to lower the brightness, as you can see, in 7 steps. So it's a lot darker now when it gets dimmed, as you can see soon. A lot darker, like that. As you can see, it's very dark at the most. You have it in 7 different steps, and then again it has the brightest setting as default. So pretty nifty features for this watch face. And as I said, you find links down below in the description text where you can download this and use the WatchMaker Premium app to send it to your smartwatch. You need to own that app, and it's not my fault that the app costs money, but my watch faces are always free. I will never let you pay for my watch faces and so on. So go check this watch face out, and I have a link to some other color options for the background of this Rolex Oyster Perpetual DateJust. I hope you like it, and please like this video if you like this watch face. Please do that, and please subscribe to me also. It would be nice. Okay, bye.